So for these questions we're dividing by 10. But apart from 10 divided by 10, the numbers we're dividing, or our dividends, are not numbers that are in the 10 times table. And that means our answers will be decimals with tenths. So first we have 3 divided by 10. We can write out the number 3 with a decimal point on the end, because remember, we really have an invisible decimal point on the end of every whole number. Then we can copy down the decimal point. When we're dividing, as long as the number we're dividing by is larger than 1, the number is going to get smaller. And we're dividing by 10, which has 1 0, so the digits move 1 square to the right. So if we copy this 3 down 1 square to the right, we have 0.3. But remember, the digit before the decimal point is our ones digit, and we can't have an empty ones place value column, so we need to write a 0 in this empty square. That gives us our answer, 0.3. So what is 5 divided by 10? Well, we can write out the number 5 with a decimal point on the end. We can copy down the decimal point, and then we remember that when we're dividing by 10, the digits move 1 square to the right. So we can copy down this 5 1 square to the right, and now we have 0.5. But if we have an empty ones column, we need to write a 0, so our answer is 0.5. Now, for 9 divided by 10, we can write out the number with a decimal point on the end. We copy down the decimal point, and then to divide by 10, the digit moves 1 square to the right. We can write a 0 in our empty ones column to give us our answer, 0.9. Now we have 10 divided by 10. Now you might already know the answer to this. You know that 1 times 10 is 10, so 10 divided by 10 is 1. But we can get our answer using the same method that we've been using here. Remember, we write the number out with a decimal point on the end and copy down the decimal point. To divide by 10, digits move 1 square to the right, so we can copy down this 0 1 square to the right and do the same with this 1. So now we have our answer 1.0. But remember, 1.0 is the same as 1, because all the 0.0 tells us is that we don't have any tenths. So 1.0 and 1 are the same. Now we have 11 divided by 10. So we can write out the number 11 with a decimal point on the end, copy down the decimal point, and now to divide by 10, we're moving each digit 1 square to the right. That gives us our answer, 1.1. So notice, for 9 divided by 10, our answer was 0.9, so slightly less than 1, because 9 is slightly less than 10. For 10 divided by 10, our answer was exactly 1. And for 11 divided by 10, our answer was just a little bit more than 1, because 1.1 is 1 1/10. So what's 35 divided by 10? We can write the number out, copy down the decimal point, and we're moving the digits 1 square to the right, so we can move down this 5 and this 3. That gives us our answer, 3.5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.